Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. We have some funny news on Bitcoin today, but let's take a step-by-step look at what's unfolding. Jim Cramer, famous for his often contradictory market calls, has recently voiced a bearish outlook on Bitcoin. Given his history, this might actually be a bullish indicator for us. This isn't just about Cramer's opinion, it's about how the market reacts to such high-profile statements. His words tend to stir a counter-reaction in the crypto space, potentially driving more buying interest. Looking at yesterday's chart, we saw a classic hammer candle on the daily. This hints at a possible turnaround. The candle's wick pointed downward, closing in the green, which might suggest to some a reversal is on the horizon. However, Bitcoin needs to surpass the 5 EMA, a line we've been watching closely. This is a psychological threshold that could shift market sentiment. The hourly shows a sadder picture, losing the highs of yesterday's 58,000 and back into the gulag at 56,700. Let's see how long it will take to recover and pump up again. September traditionally sees a downturn in its early weeks. We've observed negative returns, but there's a twist around the third week, particularly near the quad witching event, where trends often flip. The latter part of September tends to favor upward movements. Historically, the month's low hits around the 15th day, meaning Bitcoin might not have hit its lowest point yet. The FOMC meeting and quad witching fall around these dates. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful or entertaining. If you're new here, consider subscribing to join our community. Click the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. And see you in the next one.